Man, I didn't see that sharp. I didn't see this sharp bit on here. It just sliced my finger really bad. Super annoying. Seems so weird that the blade spins that direction, but the shape of the blade is like that. So supposedly it spins this direction, which would make sense for pushing the air up, but it just seems like you should drag that unsupported thin part. Kind of seems like that's why the previous one failed. Because I mean, look at it. Like they barely ride over those brackets, you know? Sure, I'm grateful for fingernails. That made it a lot less severe. Still annoying.